I was driving down the road the other day and got splashed by the car in front of me. I tried to clean the windshield, but realized there was no wiper fluid. I filled up the reservoir and it still didn't work. Popped the hood to trace the fluid line and found it broken, spraying fluid under the hood. I didn't want to replace the entire line, so I went to the hardware store and got some vinyl tubing and 2 spring clamps. I used a pocket torch to soften the tubing and lineman's pliers to cut a piece off. After measuring the length, plus a little extra to slide down each side of the broken line, I cut the tubing with the lineman's pliers, then slid the spring clamps onto the tubing. You can use diagonal cutters, tubing cutters, scissors, or a knife to cut vinyl tubing. This tubing barely fits over the fluid line, so I heated it with a small torch to make it more pliable and stretch over the fluid line. You can use a regular lighter, a heat gun, and maybe even a blow dryer to do this. After heating the vinyl tubing until it's soft, quickly push one end of the broken line into the tubing, then using pliers, open the spring clamp and slide it into place. Repeat the same steps for the other side. A quick test before closing the hood shows fluid passing through the vinyl tubing. And it works again. Total cost for this repair was $2.42 for the tubing and 2 clamps.